Am I the only one that didn't know how to boost internet speed? Let's fix that. Hey gamers, tired of your game freezing at the worst moments? Here are some simple tips to boost your internet speed. First up, restart your router. It's the classic turn it off and on again, and it actually works. Next, move your router to a central spot. Think of it like the Wi-Fi's home base. The closer you are, the stronger your signal. Third tip, use an Ethernet cable. It's old school, but it gives you a direct connection and cuts down on lag. And don't forget to check for interference. Other electronics, like microwaves, can mess with your Wi-Fi. So, keep your router away from them. Lastly, upgrade your plan. Sometimes, you just need more speed to keep up with the latest games. There you have it. Simple tips to keep your gameplay smooth and your frustration low. Happy gaming!